Starting my day off with some steak, coffee, politics, baby. We're fucking back. That right there is what I call a mo-freaking breakfast, boy. Now we clean. All clean. Now, I'm gonna go do a pre-trip, clean up the rest of the truck. Still got a couple hours before I can leave to go pick up my next load. It was just in the shop yesterday. What the fuck happened? DEF heater wire or harness. The whole DEF harness messed up. So they replaced the whole after treatment harness, and my boss has a warranty on the after treatment system, the whole system. And that harness was not covered, so that cost him a pretty penny to fix. But it's back. The load to pick up at 5. Probably gonna head out there around 2 or 3. I gotta top the truck and reefer off on fuel, and yeah, I don't know, pick up this load and start heading towards Ohio. Shipper said that my trailer smells like shit, which I didn't smell anything, and I was in there earlier today, so I really don't know why he said that. But we're now at a trailer washout getting it washed out, and then we got to run back down there and get loaded. Yay. I'm back in my door, waiting to get loaded. Gotta show them this receipt, I guess, but nobody was in the office when I went in. I'm gonna go back in and wait for them, I guess, but we're back in my door. Well, my truck's not starting, so I connected it to the reefer to see if maybe the batteries are a little dead, and got it connected, and we'll just gonna let it charge up for a little bit and see if that does anything, and whew, if so, then cool. If not, then I don't fucking know. But yeah, we're at Ohio 80. Wake up to a truck not starting, so wish me luck. Wish my boss luck, because he's put out a lot of money this week that
did not really need to be putting out on these damn trucks. So, yeah. Wish us luck. Wish us luck.
Well, I jumped the starter and it spun the starter but didn't engage the starter. So, I'm in line with the shop. We're just gonna see if maybe they can figure it out, and we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't cost too much. Oh man, I feel bad for my boss. He just had to put some money into one of our other trailers, and then one of the other trucks, the APU needed an alternator. My truck just had a harness replaced on the after treatment system, which was over $2,000 alone. And that's all this week. Now, 3 days later from the shop, here I am broke down because of a starting issue. So, we'll see what happens. I'll let you guys know when I know exactly what's going on. But look at this nice little car haul over here. Yeah, my window's dirty, so what? Look at that car hauler though. That thing is pretty. I saw a really nice Pete. He actually just pulled out. I got a nice picture of that. It's probably going to be the thumbnail. So nice purple Pete. But I'll update you guys whenever I have an update, know what's going on myself. It's the next day, actually the next night. I got to delivery last night. I forgot that I was going to be losing an hour, so I said I was going to be there 3:30. I got there about 4:30, and that's because lost an hour, gained an hour, whatever you want to call it. went into the East Coast. East Coast time. I forgot Columbus is on East Coast. For whatever reason, I was thinking they were on Central. But point is, got there at 4:30, checked in at 7 a.m., like 6:55. Didn't have to check in till 8 a.m. So, could have got an extra hour of sleep. But got checked in. They called me for a door around 8 a.m. and got into the door, was unloaded within an hour. I slept during that hour, pulled back around to the front, parked back up, went right back to sleep until about 1 p.m. If you guys know, had a long day, long day yesterday. I woke up 10 a.m. and then I ended up not going to sleep 10 a.m. Eastern or Central. So I woke up about 11 a.m. Eastern, went to bed about 5 a.m. Eastern roughly, and it was a long day, long night, but we made it. I meant to close out the video earlier this morning, getting unloaded, but shit happens. And then I picked up another load out of Columbus, going down to Georgia, and then I got to run back from north of Atlanta, south of Chattanooga, back up to Cincinnati to grab a load going up to Michigan, and then we're going from Michigan to New Mexico. So I have not been to New Mexico in many years. By many years, it's been probably three and a half years since I've been out in New Mexico. So pretty excited for that. Not sure what route I'm going to take yet, but going to get out there from Michigan and then from there back to Florida to go trick-or-treating with my kid. But you guys will see that in the upcoming videos. That is it for this video. Probably not going to do too much. I might start recording tomorrow at delivery and then bomb my way up to pickup. But I charged the GoPro. I got to charge the 3 extra batteries I have for the GoPro. That way we can get some driving time lapses and try to get some different angles of backing in and stuff like that. I want to try to get a different mount for like right there on the mirror, so whenever I'm backing, you guys can see a different angle like that and stuff. So if there's some angles, some suggestions that you guys have for angles, let me know. We got the drone for backing in, stuff like that. I really like that. But I do want to switch it up, so let me know. But that's it for this video. Peace out. Love you all. Stay true.